Sugar Land, Texas, is known for its scorching summers. With temperatures often reaching well into the triple digits, homes need to be equipped to handle the intense heat. One of the most overlooked but crucial components of keeping your home cool and energy efficient during these hot months is proper window installation. While many homeowners focus on insulation or air conditioning, windows play a critical role in temperature regulation. Here's why proper window installation is essential for Sugar Land's hot summers. Energy efficiency. A key to beating the heat. One of the most significant reasons why proper window installation matters in Sugar Land's hot summers is its impact on energy efficiency. Poorly installed windows allow air to leak in and out of your home, leading to higher energy bills. In the summertime, this means your air conditioning unit has to work harder to maintain a cool temperature inside. Properly installed windows ensure that there are no gaps, leaks, or cracks that can let hot air seep in. With high-quality windows that are installed correctly, your home can maintain a consistent temperature, and your air conditioning won't have to run constantly to keep up with the heat. This leads to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Reducing solar heat gain. In Sugar Land's summers bring intense sunlight, and the heat from the sun can quickly raise the temperature inside your home if your windows are not properly installed. Windows that are not sealed correctly or of poor quality may allow solar heat to enter your home, making the indoor climate unbearable. With proper window installation, you can ensure that your windows are equipped to handle the extreme solar heat. Many modern windows come with low emissivity, low E coatings that help block UV rays, reducing solar heat gain without blocking natural light. When installed properly, these windows help to keep your home cooler, while still allowing you to enjoy the sunshine. Preventing drafts and hot spots. Sugar Land's humidity combined with high temperatures can create uncomfortable drafts and hot spots in your home. Drafts occur when air leaks through improperly sealed windows, making certain areas of your home feel warmer than others. This can make your cooling system inefficient and cause uneven temperatures throughout your home. A professional window installation ensures that your windows are properly sealed, preventing drafts and eliminating hot spots. A well-sealed window keeps the cool air inside and the hot air outside, contributing to a more comfortable living space during those stifling summer days. Improved home comfort. When windows are installed correctly, the overall comfort of your home improves significantly. Improper window installation can lead to poor sealing, which can make rooms feel warmer than they should be, despite the air conditioning running. It's not just about the cooling system. Windows play a significant role in maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Properly installed windows reduce the need for continuous air conditioning use, which can lead to cooler, more comfortable indoor spaces. Additionally, the insulation properties of well-installed windows help to keep out both heat and moisture, ensuring that you're not just cool, but dry as well. Sugar Land's humidity can be just as oppressive as the heat, and windows that are correctly installed help to keep your indoor environment comfortable year-round. Enhanced durability and long-term savings. knows the Texas heat can be tough on home exteriors, and your windows are no exception. If installed improperly, your windows may suffer from structural issues over time. Warping, leaking, and even cracking are potential consequences of poorly installed windows. Not only will this lead to uncomfortable temperatures inside your home, but it can also result in costly repairs or replacements. Proper installation ensures that your windows are durable and capable of withstanding the extreme temperatures and humidity of Sugar Land summers. By investing in quality installation from the start, you're ensuring that your windows will last for many years, saving you money on replacements and repairs. Protecting your investment in your home is a significant investment, and every decision you make about it should help protect its value. Windows are one of the most important features of your home's exterior, and when installed correctly, they enhance both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Proper window installation not only improves energy efficiency but also ensures that your windows will perform optimally for years to come. When potential buyers see that your home has well-maintained, high-quality windows, they'll be more likely to see it as a valuable and well-cared-for property. This can increase your home's resale value, making proper window installation a smart investment for the future. Conclusion: proper window installation in Sugar Land is about more than just keeping the heat out. It's about energy efficiency, comfort, durability, and protecting your home's value. During the hot summer months, your windows serve as a barrier against the intense sun and humidity, and when installed correctly, they can make all the difference in how comfortable your home feels. By choosing professional window installation, you're not just investing in your home's appearance, but also in a cooler, more energy-efficient living space.